Yeah, it's broken solar panel here. My channel will most likely be on hiatus for a while as my laptop has failed me once again. But this time it's not something I can keep using the laptop with, like with the broken battery and bad charger, because that's what I had been dealing with for a while. But I was able to still use it because with the charger in a specific position, it would still work. And as long as the battery was still charged, it would be okay. I've already rectified that problem. I replaced the charger and the battery, so now I got a battery that lasts like 2 hours now instead of 2 minutes like the old one did. That's this one. This is the one that is brand new. And the problem with this computer is the fan is broken, and it's basically the same problem that my 3D printer had when its fan was broken. Not that two blades are broken, but the other problem that the other fan had once when it was making some really bad grinding noises because the bearings were all worn out. And here's what that sounded like from my laptop. So yeah, that was this fan's bearings giving out. So I need to replace this fan. If I order one now, it will arrive about a week from now. So my channel will be on hiatus for about a week, which means the next episode, Tornado Siren Madness, the London Trip Part 4 episode, is going to be a bit late. And I'll have to upload this video from my parents' computer, and I can't continue making TSM with my parents' computer because all of the data that I need to make that episode is all on this hard drive here. So, and that means I have to fire up this computer in order to access it, which I can't do right now because obvious reasons. It's in pieces and I need to replace that fan. If I were to run it for much longer with the fan in that condition, the CPU probably would have overheated and the whole thing would have shut down unexpectedly. So, I have to order a new fan. This is broken solar panel signing off.